Alright guys, so in today's video, probably no one would watch, bro. It's annoying. Yeah, it's gonna be pretty cool. But as you don't hear the rain hitting the roof. It's raining, and it's a thunderstorm. So yeah, I'm gonna go up. I'm gonna go down. So let's go. Alright. Alright. As you can tell, it's pouring and we're gonna watch some lightning. And there's Teddy. We're gonna see if you can see some lightning. If you can see blue lightning, that'd be cool. So like, yeah, blue lightning is around like 50,000 degrees, around 2,800, 20,000, 28,000 degrees Celsius. And from here, thunder. And yeah, it's cool. It's raining outside. I'm gonna zoom in. Ooh, kind of see that. Let's make a flashing light. Ooh, I just saw some lightning. Hi, Teddy, don't be scared. Don't be scared, Teddy. No! Teddy, get your ball. Ball. I'll get your ball. Ball. Let me wipe my screen off. Teddy, what are you doing? Ooh. Ted, no. There's some good in that room. Ted, stop hitting me with the ball. I'm gonna zoom in. So yeah, I'm just watching for some light. Ooh, there's a flash. Some lightning. 1, 2, 7, like a mile and a half. Ready? Once you see lightning strike, count to 5. It's about a mile. If you count to 5, it's about a mile. So like, yeah. Teddy, I ain't getting no ball. Oh, Teddy's brave enough. He's going out in the lightning. Teddy! Ted! Come on! Okay, Ted, if you want me to look for your ball. Teddy, I don't see your ball. Teddy, come here, bro. Maybe dangerous. Oh, those some good strikes. Look, Ted. Oh, Teddy. Oh, look. Can get a better view, Teddy, and. Ooh, some flash. Oh. Wow. Getting some pretty good lightning there. So once, I believe, lightning strikes in the cul-de-sac. Struck. Wrong pronunciation. Sorry for my bad plan. Okay. Ooh! Wait, is this Canadian? Wait. It's Canadian. Oh, this is Canadian dime. It's Canadian dime. That's where I'm from, Canada. Canada. My mom has a lot of pictures of an igloo, a picture of an igloo that my dad and my brother made. Go inside. No. Tip. Inside. Ooh. Oh. Ooh. That was a good one. That lightning was like a couple thousand. So it's like 15,000 degrees Celsius. I mean, not 10, 15,000. It's like 5,000 to 10,000 to 15,000 degrees Celsius. It's creating a sonic boom. It creates a sonic boom. There goes your child. Everything goes in the group. Yeah. Let's go. I'm gonna look through the footage in the video just in case I missed anything. Ooh! It's like flash. Teddy watching too. Teddy likes watching. Before I recorded this, before I came to grab my phone, there was like lightning that branched out. It looks pretty cool. It's like blue lightning. Really hot lightning. And woo! That's how you destroy it. because of the heat. Those are some flashes. Pretty cool. Ooh, there's some flashes back there. Oh. Yeah. I'm on the video. Like and subscribe. Notifications. So don't miss my videos. Cause I'm not that good at it, dude. I'm like pretty bad. You guys can give me tips if anybody watches this. So, bye bye.